play with a tonneau cover because it's something simple. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward going on. This one has a seam, right down the middle. So in the back, I lined it up, and then put the spikes that they attach to. There's not one right in the middle, so I did the two on either side of middle. And then I did the one up front here. That's enough just to hold it in place for now. And so I'll go one at a time, putting it on, taking it off, putting it on, marking it, taking it off, cutting the hole, putting the little clip thingy in. If you're going to do this, especially if you're going to do a tonneau and a convertible top, I highly recommend just buying the right size hole punch. I'm just going to go around step by step and get this tonneau cover put on.